Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. সবাইকে শুভ শারদীয়ার অনেক শুভেচ্ছা ও অভিনন্দন। সবার পুজো ভীষণ ভালো কাটুক। Today I'll be sharing with you this Durga Puja / Navratri makeup looks. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. You guys know by now, if you're doing your makeup, a good hydrating moisturizer is so important. Here I'm using the simple one. It's suitable for all skin type. Next I'm using a face primer because I want my makeup to last super long, and this is a silicone based primer. If you have oily skin, this is perfect for that. Also today I'm gonna try out this newly launched the Durga Puja 2% niacinamide high coverage foundation. This has 2% niacinamide and 1% hyaluronic acid complex. It comes with SPF of 40 and PA+++. This comes with a pump which is really easy and convenient to use. Also this is super lightweight, gives a 12-hour long stay, and this is 12-hour oil control as well. Now let me just quickly give you the swatches. It comes with 7 different shades. 01 is ivory, 02 is in the shade nude, then we have the shade 03 which is natural, 04 is in the shade caramel, then we have 05 which is peach, 06 is in the shade beige, and lastly we have the shade 07 which is cinnamon. Here you have all of the swatches side by side and you can clearly see the difference. Here I'm using the shade 02 which matches me perfectly. I would say this gives you a medium to full coverage and it blends beautifully into the skin. As it contains niacinamide, so it helps out reducing acne marks, spots, and it evens out your skin tone. And also this contains hyaluronic acid that keeps your skin hydrated and plump. This looks really nice on the skin. It doesn't dry out my skin or look cakey, but I would say as it's a medium to full coverage foundation, so don't layer it up a lot, otherwise it might look cakey. All products by the Durga Puja are fragrance free, and every time you buy from them they will link your order to a child that they help educating along with Bhumi. They have empowered 10,000 students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. I do have a coupon code with them. If you use that on their website, you will get extra 20% off. Next I'm using a loose powder to set the cream products in place so that it doesn't move or budge or it doesn't crack or crease, and also using a setting spray so that it deals with the powderiness that I have. Today I want my brows to look really nice and natural, and for that I'm using this brow pencil from Plum. Once that is done, I'm gonna move on to the eyes, and today I'm using this Huda Beauty Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette. First I'm using a transition shade all over my crease just to give some definition to my eyes. Next I'm taking the dusty pink and I'm applying it just beneath that transition shade. Next taking this beautiful duochrome shade and applying it all over my eyelid, and look at that, how beautiful it looks. Now blending everything in with a transition brush so that everything looks nice and seamless and there is no harsh edges. To add some depth to the outer corners of my eyes, I'm going to take this beautiful shade and I'm just adding it to the edges. This will add that perfect amount of depth and dimension to my eyes. And whatever is left in the brush, I'm applying it on the bottom lash line. For kajal, first I tried the Nykaa Blue Hex one, but I wasn't really liking the way it was looking, so I went ahead with the K Beauty one. This is a very creamy, long-lasting product and it doesn't irritate my sensitive eyes. Once that is done, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara. For my cheeks today, I'll be using this beautiful pink toned blush and it looks so pretty on the cheeks. And then I'm gonna use a highlighter from Q Beauty. I'm gonna apply it on all of the highest points of my face. To finish off the makeup look, I'm gonna apply a beautiful nude lipstick from Mamaearth. This is in the shade Carnation Nude. And lastly, put some earrings and a bindi and you are done. So yep, that's it. That's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it and find this video helpful. If you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one.